Alright, so pretty much just had some lunch just now. Last time we'll be having lunch with my friend. Oh my god. But anyway, I'm gonna head back home. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything if I'm going into Manhattan or anything like that. So if I don't come back on the vlog, then you know. Alright, so my Uber driver just picked me up. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So we're heading to the food court. Like I literally left my camera because we're going to the movies. But then they said food and I was like, alright, so we in this really cool theater. We're in the food court pretty much. And we're heading down to, like you said, the food court is really good.
Yeah.
Like it's a fancy food court. Alright. I hope they have Annie's because I love Annie's. No? Alani Mall? I went there today.
They have Annie's in there.
I know, but like...
You didn't get it?
No. Bro, feels like I got into like food heaven. Oh. Look at all these stuff. What's this? Oh. What is this? You know what I feel like? I feel like when, you know when Harry Potter first went down to that part to get all this magical stuff? Bro, this is what it feels like. Seriously, doesn't it feel like it down here? Check it out. Yo, it feels like all the wizards are down here to get like the magical food. It's like, oh my god. Like at the moment you're like a star in my vlog. People are like, oh, you're on, so tell us a magical one.
So these are pierogies, like a Polish dumpling. Yeah, we're going to share it. And we're going to give a sampler pack. And if you go up and look at the menu, you can see what's in the sampler. There's a
Also on the other side? Okay. Just for you guys, I'm going to show you what's on the menu. Oh, what's that, a beer?
Yeah, it's like a Polish beer. It's really good.
Okay, yeah.
Look at the tap. It's hilarious.
Oh, look at that. Alright, let's get it.
He actually can handle it. Still have a beer.
Yeah, I'm a big boy. Yeah.
You see any piece? Like paired.
What's the difference between a lager and beer? Yeah.
IPA is like ale, it's stronger.
Okay.
And lager is like regular beer.
Yeah.
But this Polish lager is like pretty natural taste.
Cool. Alright. Thank you.
And this is like stronger.
He's trying to take my beer. In the kitty's cup too. Oh my. Drink that H2O, bro. Oh, really? It tastes like beer. Okay, what is it exactly?
Which ones are they?
Which one what?
Which ones are they? It's like
Well, this is two potato and cheese, two sauerkraut mushroom, and two meatballs. So you just open it like organized.
Okay. So did you hear that? It's like
the camera.
one is sauerkraut, one is potato and cheese, and the other one is meat.
Okay. Alright, so I'm about to eat this and tell you guys what it is, but this is sour cream, bits of bacon, and this is, I don't know really. I'll tell you what's up. My honest opinion, it tastes like a dumpling.
Yeah, that's what it is.
That they stuff some stuff in.
First what it is. Yeah, it's a dumpling.
So we're gonna find somewhere else. I sure hope they don't give me no more dumplings. I'm feeling the effects of this already. Yeah. I'm sorry. We're talking about fried pizza?
Yes.
Okay, how's that?
It's like they fry the pizza dough already, right? So it's just extra crispy and bubbly, right? Then they put the sauce, the cheese, and your toppings on it, and throw it in the oven to finish that off. Come back out, and then they crack their fresh chili flakes. They got black pepper, salt, oregano, just usual pizza toppings, but they just do it for you.
Dope. finally, after doing that lap, we got to the sushi bar. And so what's all this?
Okay, so you have your hand rolls. And then you have I think it's all hand rolls actually. They don't do maki rolls. So it's just like a little cone of seaweed, rice, and then whatever kind of fish or filling that you'd like.
Cool.
Tuna.
Spicy tuna? Cool.
You're not going to put anything on it? No. It doesn't need it.
That's pickled ginger here on yours. Okay.
And this is wasabi. It's like a horseradish mustard.
Yeah, I'm scared of that. And soy sauce. It's the same thing, same spicy tuna?
Yes. You have both of yours? Did you get a spicy tuna?
Well, I got avocado with salmon, I think. So is it raw? Is that definitely raw? Okay.
You're like,
I'll eat whatever.
try it.
This is that green tea that we get.
Oh my gosh.
Right? Like,
It's cool how you mix the wasabi with the soy sauce. I've never.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Just even that one. That's Toro.
Toro, fatty tuna.
Ooh.
Isn't that gorgeous?
The tuna tastes so fresh. It tastes like, bro, that's dope.
It's a seared salmon belly.
So seared salmon.
Seared salmon belly.
Okay, belly. What's the difference between the belly?
The belly meat. It's like super fatty and tender.
Okay. Cool. So she's doing a little magic trick, secret type of thing that I've never seen before. Such wizardry. It's great, right? I'll try this one, the salmon belly pork type of thing. Thank you, sir.
Sorry for that.
Salmon, avocado. Can you guys see that? Yes.
Ginger here if you like.
Oh, ginger? Thank you. So salmon avocado with ginger. Let's try it. Can I try your magic super sauce thingy? Alright, dipped it in that magic sauce. I like the ginger thing. Always happy with that.
Yeah, they're not on there,
Ridiculous, right? It's like crispy and then...
My favorite part is the seaweed.
Yeah, it's like a crunchy...
Crispy,
Yeah.
it's nice. I know some of you are saying, why am I eating raw fish? But don't knock it till you try it. But I tried the shrimp roll. I just like this. It just feels like kind of like a cigar.
A cigar. A sushi cigar.
A sushi cigar. My favorite part is biting into that seaweed. I can feel a crisp, a crunchiness, a little bit gelatinous in slight ways. But this one has like kind of like a herbaceous kind of feel.
I'm excited, but I really wish I got like double allergic reaction.
Great.
Wow.
Here, go ahead.
Tiny. Oh my god.
It's good, right?
What is that?
I don't know what it's like a herb kind of inside. Do you taste it? There's something hidden in there,
What
but
is that?
I have to ask the sensei.
Oh my god, that is insane.
Got a nice ginger shoot.
You just kind of explore for your main course. I'm going to order my burger. You have
Alright. To be quite honest, like, I'm already full. I've been already full from that of the lunch day that I had. But food is food, you know, so I'm gonna try something. But I think I'm gonna rock with try the fried pizza. I've never had that before, so let's get it. Alright, so we got to the fried pizza place. I think what I got doesn't have meat on it, the Parmigiana or Parmigiana. Because my stomach is full. I don't want to be messing with any meat right now. So I'm gonna show you guys that. But yeah, I've never had fried pizza before. Yo, that girl was bad. Lord. But yeah, I'm gonna have Parmigiana, and you're getting what?
Yeah, pepperoni.
Pepperoni? Like, I'm gonna be more excited than that, man. And? But anyway, I want to get one of these because like these are.
Go back over to the sushi place.
How far is it?
It's not. It's like the other end.
Okay.
Mushroom.
I'm ordering.
Enjoy. We'll go to Trader Joe's again. Trader Joe's. What do you think? Sorry, put it down. That's it. Stop touching. Look at me. Mine is in the just curious, what's the best thing I did with that? Oh yeah, we took it to the other place. We thought it was from there. Yeah, no, that's why he just said it was from here. Just
Right, pepperoni 56. 56?
yeah.
Yeah. Want some cheese on top, spices?
Ooh,
Oregano,
my pizza.
chili flakes. Parmesan.
Something kind of vegan, I think. Oh, let's pop into this bad boy. Okay. What did you get, fatty?
I got like a burger that
Is it-
rivals the Shake Shack burger.
I was about to ask you that. I was like, yo,
It
it
has
does?
like those little smashed crispy bits the same way.
It looks like the same texture too. Alright, let's get into this pizza. Alright, so I picked this up the first time and I was like super surprised. It's like so light. It's light and very airy. But let's see. I'm not liking this.
How much for you? I would.
No, it's cool. I've made a bad choice.
I'd be
So, really?
I spend my money on it.
So it's not that the pizza is bad. The pizza is a good pizza. I can tell that. It's very fluffy and airy. But like the toppings, I was trying something new, and that's what I get. But I'm not eager to tell you guys what it tastes like. The reason I don't like it is the white thing on the outside. It's like, yeah, it's very like super creamy and milky. But the crust is really good. It's really good. but that part, that's what I get to try to be vegan. Okay, so I've gone back over to the dark side, the meat side, and I'm gonna try this and tell you what it tastes like. Much better. Much better. And I made sure I got that unsweetened green tea before I left. This one is really good. Alright, that was really cool. Bringing you guys with me to this little food market thing was great. Chilling with Bonnie and Malachi, but we're about to head to the movies right now, and of course cameras are not allowed. So anyway, we'll see things, guys. Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, try this green tea, yo. It's